Okay, everybody, another day, another unboxing. This is a jack for Priscilla. And I'll just kind of make this quick. I looked all over the place. I'm going to buy one in Harbor Freight. Didn't work out. Oh. Okay, hold on, this is heavy. Hold on, be right back. Yeah, like I said, I was going to buy one at Harbor Freight. Using one of the 25% coupons for Memorial Day, but the fine print said no jacks. Jacks are exempt, and other things. All right, hold on. I got landscapers. I'll be right back. Let me get this out, and I'll come back. All right, sit tight. Okay, I'm back. This is the VIVOHOME. Now, there's a lot of different, how do you say it, lookalikes out there, I guess, right? And they vary in pricing just a little bit, but I'll tell you why I decided to buy this one. And it's a little noisy because I got both fans because it's a beautiful day. I took some of my flags down, but I didn't take them all down. I wanted to leave them up till tonight, so I'll take them down at dusk tonight. But anyway, hopefully you can see this. Yeah. This was the main reason I bought this jack right here. This stout little shaft going through here with the snap ring. And also these, if you look at it in the pictures, some of the, I think this is the weakest part of the whole jack right here. Is this pivot point. That's the weakest part of it. So I spent an extra $20 to get a little bit more, to get this, I guess, you know, just to get the better. Because if you look online, if you're shopping for one of these, look at this pivot point right here. You'll see a bunch of different things that different manufacturers will use, and some of them look kind of like, you know, this thing's rated for 1,100 pounds, and Priscilla only weighs barely over 500 or so. But anyway, that's what I was looking for. And the pictures, even on the website on Amazon, the pictures, some of them had this, some of them had a smaller thing. Just check it out. So, there you have it, huh? It also comes with a tray with wheels on it that I have to put together. Here it is. Here's the tray. This is the VIVOHOME. Let me get the box. Here's the SKU. Here's the SKU for what I bought, right? All right, hold on. Here's the SKU, VH771. That's this one. Okay. Of course, it's made in China. But as I said, there's a bunch of different lookalikes. Go to Amazon and you know, type in motorcycle lift, and you'll see there's a whole bunch of different ones out there. There's one called the Pile. I almost bought the Pile, but the Pile didn't look as stout as this. See, this feels like, I mean, this is heavy. I just got it from my mail carrier, and she thought it was she says, "What'd you do? Buy a box of rocks?" And I said, "No." At first I said, "Yeah," and she laughed. And then I said, "No, it's a jack for Priscilla." Comes with some pretty stout wheels. I was concerned about these wheels as usual, right? We'll see how these are going to go. But let me put it together, because there is a little assembly of the wheels. All right, and let me get going on that. But that's the important thing, and you can see that, right? Yeah, that is why I bought this particular one. Is for that right there, because all the weight is resting on this, amongst other things. But I think if it comes down to it, it's all resting on this pivot point, and that's why I spent the extra few dollars to get the beefier one. But you have to look for it, because they won't tell you. All they'll say is it holds 1,100 pounds, yada yada yada. All right, let me put you on pause. I'll come back, and I'll come back after the tray is assembled. Okay, so sit tight. All right, just real quick. It comes with a nice threaded screw and a lock nut. I don't know what the size is yet. Let me check that out. And See, there's. So let me check that out. We'll come back. Sit tight. All right, we're starting to cook with gas now. The lock nuts are at 10, and the screws are according to my Oh, real quick. I don't know if you guys have these. This Icon lock set here. Locking flex head and ratchet bit set, 35 piece. I was looking for this forever in my local Harbor Freight, but they would never be in stock, right? So finally, I think it was the first time it was offered online on the website. I snagged one, and here it is. Now I was thinking this thing was like, you know, huge, right? You know, a good size, but look at this. Look at this. And these are my sockets here. Look at this little thing. But I tell you what, the quality is. I use this thing a lot, so I highly recommend it. It's the Icon locking flex head and ratchet bit set. So good stuff. All right, I'll put you on pause. Let me get all the wheels on. We'll go from there. Sit tight. Okay, different view. All the wheels are on, but as I was assembling it, look at what we have here. See these? Ball bearings. So, not a good sign right off the bat. That's a lot of ball bearings. I think it came out of the only, yeah, that's a lot of ball bearings. I think it came out of this one. Yeah. And they're still coming out. Good Lord. Yep. I don't know if it's got any left. So I'll be sending VIVOHOME. Oh yeah, look, they're just dropping out like eggs. See them? Yep, there comes one. Yeah. Yeah, see that? How loose that is? So the wheels are crap. And I read that. And I, you know, was accepting that. I didn't buy it for the wheels. Because I don't plan on, you know, pushing Priscilla around the garage. Oh, and I have the seat off because I was working. Oh, and there's a firmware update to the my VIVOHOME. So firmware update, I did that last night. That's why I took the seat off. And that's a whole nother little video that I might do. But anyway, back to this. Yeah, I read that the wheels, and I wasn't, like I said, I didn't buy it for the wheels. I bought it for this, for that scissor jack. So hopefully those are standard size brackets for these wheels. But I'm gonna, yeah, look at that. I don't think there's a ball bearing left in here. Oh, there is. Yeah, see, look. This is too much play. Something's not right. And they're all like, well, they're not all that like that. It's just this one's not good. So hold on one sec. I'm doing this with one hand. Yeah, this one. So the wheels are crap. So knowing that, but they are, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not concerned. I'm not overly concerned about it, but I will be emailing the company. So, all right. So back to this. Now the next test is I want to find a socket. I need to find the socket size. I don't know if it's 3/8. Not 3/8. 3/4. It might be 3/4. Because I don't really want to use this. I like to use a socket if I could. And I want to see how much grease is on. I would have thought they would send me some grease, but I have my own. But I want, oh yeah, this thing is heavy. Yeah, it's greased up a little bit. Not as much as oh yeah, I can see. There's grease on there, you see it? Yeah. All right, so we're making progress. Oh, another ball bearing over there. They're all over the place. But this thing is stout. So that's why I bought it. I didn't buy it for that, or for the wheels. I mean, that's a nice bonus, but I mainly bought it for this. All right, I'm gonna leave you with that because it's coming on 10 minutes. And once again, this is the VIVOHOME motorcycle lift center with dollies. So there you go. So there's going to be more on that. I do want to jack up Priscilla today because I wanted to work on, well, I was hoping to work on her forward controls, at least on the shift side. And that's one of the reasons I got this jack. Another reason was to do the fluid changes. I want to do all that myself. See, that's why I bought her. To you know, like it's a hobby, you know, something to keep me busy kind of thing. And she's keeping me busy. All right, I'll leave you with that shot right there. Have any questions, let me know. As usual, more to come.